So Bank of Canada increased its lending rate to 0.5% last night. And in this video, I'm going to go over how it affects your local real estate market. Now, the local real estate market I'm talking about is, Toronto, Halton, Peel, in that area. That's what I cover. So number one thing is going to affect, sorry, my dog's going crazy over here. You could probably hear his footsteps. Coco, relax. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. The number one thing it's going to affect is it's going to cool down the market just a little bit. And in fact, in the past couple of weeks, we have noticed as real estate agents, not as many multiple offers on properties as we have been seeing in the past 2 years. So because there was expectation of this news coming up and they were expected to go up, so already we were starting to see it take an effect even before it kicked in last night. So that's the number one thing. It will give a chance to buyers to have some sort of a chance to, buy a place, because let's face it, if you've been shopping in the past couple of years, the prices have been out of control, and not just prices, the bidding wars have been out of control. Like any house you liked, you were competing with 20, 30 offers. So now it's still going to stay a seller's market, but it's not going to be as crazy. At least that's what I feel, and I've talked to a bunch of other agents and mortgage brokers. That's kind of the feedback I'm getting. You are still going to be competing with other people, but instead of 20 offers to compete with, you might compete with like 3 to 6 offers. Still not great, but it's still better than what you've been going through. So it has not been a fun time to be a buyer. So at least this way, now you have some sort of a bit of a better chance to find a place. So that's the number one thing. It might cool down just a bit. Still seller's market, but just a little cool down. The second thing is, if you have a fixed rate mortgage, you have nothing to worry about. Your mortgage rate stays as is. That's not really a hot take. Everyone knows that. So you're not going to be affected by this at all. If you do have a variable rate mortgage, you want to double check with your bank, see how much it's going to affect. But I just did some rough calculations. Let's say if you have a $500,000 mortgage, your mortgage goes up by about $58. If you have a $800,000 mortgage, I believe it's about $97 or so. Okay, so those are very rough numbers. Like I said, it depends on a lot of variables, but double check with your bank or just do some calculations. Google has a whole bunch of mortgage calculators online. So those two things are, I believe, I know like the increase in the payment is not that drastic. Obviously, every dollar counts, but it's manageable. It's not like it went up, by 2% or anything. Okay, sorry, 1 second. Coco, come here. Come. Good. He's being a little naughty today. Coco, don't destroy daddy's computer. He doesn't have money for a new computer. Anyways, sorry. That's the market update. It's gone up to 0.5%. Coco, relax. And your mortgage payment, let's say if you have a $500,000 mortgage, it goes up by about $58. So it's good news for the buyers, because now if you are shopping, you will be competing with less people during bidding wars. It's still going to be a seller's market, but at least okay, I better go. Okay, he's getting impatient. All right, let's play. I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.